God.
No other toothpaste provides superior antibacterial protection and protects your mouth from these 8 dental problems.
Unbeatable protection, which is good because smiling is an important part of my job.
Unbeatable protection for a healthy mouth. Colgate Total, the #1 toothpaste brand used by dentists.
When someone goes missing,
We got left. This your first time missing? Yes. Positive.
tracking that person down
Look if this kid is missing. We gotta be worried about that.
is a race against the clock.
There's a good possibility that she may be dead. It's more just thought.
You're not gonna believe this. What is this?
Did you find anything?
The first 48 missing persons. Tuesdays at 10 on CI, also in HD.
They'll never see the light of day again. In a brand new series, CI profiles Britain's most dangerous killers. When life means life continues at 9 with John Cooper, after we train our sights on leads in CCTV cities.
It's 2 in the morning, the city of Leeds.